in determining who you want to be for a power of attorney is, in my mind, is very similar to determining who's going to be your executor. I like people who take care of business. You don't need a Harvard MBA for these things, but you don't want someone who doesn't take care of business. Because basically they're supposed to handle your bills, handle your accounts. It might not be the most complicated thing in the world, but if they let things sit on their desk, this is not going to work. Same thing with being the executor of your will. If they don't get around to selling your house and 3 years goes by, your house isn't being sold and nobody's paying the real estate taxes, this is not very good, and bad things happen in circuit court when things like that happen. So you want to name the person who takes care of business. So when I always talk to people about this, that's what I ask. I don't want the eldest son. I don't want the youngest son. I want the person who has the time and capability. And sometimes I get, well, they're very busy. Well, that's probably the best person, because, you know, the old adage, you know, if you need something done, give it to a busy person. And I'm also not worried about people being out of town, because you get that, but they're in Florida. Listen, if they're good at what they'll do, they'll figure it out. So that's the person that I'm looking for to be put in charge of things.